Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for Gre Exam, easy method. Start by setting clear weekly goals and a realistic daily study window. Use short focus sessions with active recall and spaced repetition for vocabulary. Schedule one full practice test every 2 weeks to track progress and timing. Review mistakes immediately and create a targeted practice plan for weak topics to make steady, measurable improvements. Start with a diagnostic test to find strengths and weaknesses, and then practice under real conditions. Focus on timing by breaking sections into timed drills and gradually increase endurance. After each test, analyze mistakes, categorize them, and practice targeted question sets. Track score trends and adjust study focus toward persistent weak areas while keeping steady practice sessions to build accuracy and speed in all sections. Build vocabulary with short daily SRS sessions and review context sentences to deepen understanding. For quant, reinforce core concepts with focused practice sets and keep a formula sheet handy for quick review. Practice strategies like eliminating answers and marking questions to revisit. Blend concept review with timed practice so you improve accuracy and speed together, and keep a concise error log to avoid repeating the same mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.